Hello everyone, myself Uday Datrak. I am planning to teach 100 plus Unix security issues in just 20 hours guys. Search in YouTube for Uday Datrak. You can see my playlist. I have already uploaded 40 plus lessons. I will be uploading daily at least 1 or 2 videos. So you guys don't even need to have any basic skills guys. I will teach you end to end. You don't even need any prerequisite. Within just like 20 hours of learning, you will be able to find 100 plus Unix security issues and you are eligible for cyber security jobs, penetration testing jobs. Now let's see some. Now today we don't discuss any security issues, but what I'm going to do is, last time what I have done is I have deployed 10 plus unique web applications in the www folder. Right now I have taken that backup as like right click on www and then send to compressed zip folder, and I uploaded them in my Google Drive, and now I download into different machine. So how will I deploy those all 10 different web applications on a new machine guys? So I installed WAMP server and I started it, and I see that the WAMP is running on my machine because its icon is green color and I can visit the website. So now all I need to do is, first I need to unzip this 7-zip. Since I installed this WAMP on new machine, so I just copy these contents as it is. Right click, copy. You need to make a backup of that, upload in your Google Drive guys, so that whenever your system formats or if you buy a new laptop, so that you can practice like that way. Now I'll go to www. Okay, let me come to downloads. Yes, so now I'll just copy this inside the www folder, copy, and now I'll go to C drive, RAM64, and I'll just paste here. Now it's an easy process to deploy all the 10 applications at once. You don't have to do rework, downloading again and again, changing the paths of the database and all. But now, since we have freshly installed the WAMP server on a new machine, whenever we open any new application, it will throw some errors guys. Like when it says replace the files in destination, I'll say simply skip because they are already there. Now I'll show you the first application. So if I try to open XVWA, it will show some error. Like we don't have to remember those errors guys, because it's a very small stuff. Once you have the knowledge, based on the errors you can do it on the fly. Like what it is saying, unknown database. So now what you need to do as a fresh start, I am just showing only for one application, 1 or 2 guys. Now PHP myadmin, I'll try to create the database. The default username will be always root, password is blank. SQL. Now we created the database. That's it. Setup, submit. So you don't have to remember all these errors. That's the reason I am trying to tell you, like based on the errors, since you understood all the basics, from now on based on the errors you can make the changes to make it up and running. For the next application like DVWA, oh it's running, setup DVWA. Okay, click on create reset database button. Where is that? Okay, yeah, okay, now the database it will be created. Oh, now okay, username is admin, password is password I remembered last time, this one. Wow, We successfully logged in. This application is also working. One more application, Datruk. There is an unknown database demo. Okay, we'll create just like that. Create database demo. Sorry, semicolon. Nice. It's up and running. This error was coding related error. That's okay. I don't focus on that much. Now this is how you need to, like, whenever you are taking a backup of your code, you don't have to completely take this particular complete folder of WAM drive. You don't even need to take this folder backup. You just have to take the backup of www folder, and it will be hardly like for 10 applications it will be just like 6 MB. You can upload in a Google Drive, and within just 5 minutes you can try to deploy the all applications at once, and you can start testing, guys. Otherwise it will be like a downloading each application and making changes. It will be like time consuming process. In future you always need this. So today take a backup and upload in your Google Drive, guys. So this is just not something security issue, just something like reusability of the project, guys.